Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'll be talking about Discord bots and droplets. But before I do that, I want to introduce some stuff to you. So we have a live coffee. It's a really luxurious and good coffee experience. I was drinking it this morning and I was like, yeah, this is really good. So it's non-GMO, no sugar, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, and it's good for your skin, your hair, and your overall well-being, your gut. And if you're interested, just go to the link in the description, or you can follow this link and you can support me. I also have FoodBot, which is nutrition information, search recipes, utilities, but right now it's only recipes. Yeah, I'm still working on the other commands. So, yeah, so DigitalOcean. So this can work on any Python script, but in this case, we're going to be using a Discord bot, and this is assuming that you have everything set up. You have your SSH key set up with GitHub, and you have your SSH key set up with your Droplet. So you kind of have to connect it. There's YouTube videos online. Maybe I'll link one in the description. But yeah, so assuming you have all that set up, um, what you want to do is you want to go to the web console, and let me see. So right now the bot is offline, right? So I'm just gonna show you something. If you go to your web console, tap clear, and you run the cd and you run the script. So it'll be online, but if I close the terminal, it's gonna go offline. So I can just do as you can see, the command works, and when I go here and I just close this, it might not go offline, but if I go and do the command, it won't work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna combat this, right? So what we're gonna do is go to web console, clear cd, actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna do screen s discord bot terminal. Now, as I said, it can be any script. It doesn't have to be a Discord bot. But what we're gonna do is Discord bot terminal, and you could just do script terminal or anything like that. It's up to you. And I'm gonna press enter. Now when I do Python free main.py again, it's gonna run the bot. All the shards are gonna be loaded. Now your bot doesn't need to have shards, but in this case, since it's in like almost 3,000 servers, it does need shards. So it can be any bot. Right now it's open, and or it's online. And then let's say I do a live latte. Oh, wrong bot. A live latte, it'll work. And let's just close this. Give it some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And let's do recipe instead. Oh, wrong bot. Recipe. the recipe spaghetti, and there you go. So as you can see, the terminal is not on. Well, it's not open, but it's running in the background. So as you can see, memory, all this is being used, and yeah.